Hey everyone, lannetkrystle here and welcome to my channel. I know it's been a while, I always say that every time, but I try my best to put as much content out there as I can. I am definitely more active on my Instagram, so follow me on my Instagram, lannetkrystle, and right now I have a giveaway going on over there, so definitely check that out. But in today's video, we are going to be talking about lash growth, natural lash growth, and no, I'm not talking about lash extensions or anything like that, but actual lash serum. This specific lash serum is called LashMagic by Carragheen. I'm sorry if I'm butchering this. Carragheen or Carragheen. It is a company in Singapore, and this specific lash protein serum is produced in Japan. So Kuz Cosmetics, or Alice from Kuz Cosmetics, was kind enough to send me one of the bottles to try out. Now these are in production in April. I'm not quite sure when it will be on the Carragheen website or the Kuz Cosmetics website, but I'll put the links down below so you guys can visit the website and see what other products they have. But yeah, so today I'm just going to talk about my experience with the LashMagic by Carragheen. So I have tried a couple of lash serums before, and the one thing I noticed is, yes, they did provide lots of growth within a couple weeks to a month. With this one, you should be getting some results within 2 weeks or 15 days. So I'm going to insert a picture of my day one. And in day one, as you can see, I do have lashes. They're not super short or anything like that, but they aren't as full or volumized or compared to day 8 of using the serum. And here's a picture of day 8. And as you can see, my lashes do look a little more full, a little darker, a lot healthier. And then this serum specifically added more volume to my lashes. Not so much length. It did add a little bit of length, but nothing like too dramatic or anything like that. But it did provide a great deal of volume within 8 to 15 days. Now, results are different with everybody. It just depends on how your lashes react to the serum, how often you use it, and stuff like that. But for me, I used this serum 15 days straight, once at night, so once a day at night, so that way I'm not having to rub my eyes or anything like that or add mascara. I did refrain from wearing false lashes during the trial period. And yeah, so this was really easy to use. I'm actually going to show you how to use it. And what I liked about this the most is that it didn't leave a dark tint on my eyelid, because the one I used before, it left like a dark tint with like more usage. So I noticed like it was getting darker on my lash line, which was fine. It made it look like I had a natural eyeliner, but I didn't really like that because I was afraid that it was gonna like go to other places of my eye. So that kind of freaked me out a little bit when I saw the darker tint. But with this, it actually just applies like a very light moisturizing gel, and it's super easy to use. And like I was saying before, results vary with everybody. Some person's lashes might grow a lot quicker than mine. As you can see, all I did was I curled my lashes, and when I do curl them, they look really lengthy, and they curl very well. Again, right now they look very volumized, which is what I'm actually looking for nowadays, is more volume and not so much length. So I'm going to show you guys really quick how I use this. They advise not to apply this directly onto your lash line, and I agree, because the consistency is quite thick. It's not a very thin serum at all. So you just take the brush, and then I just put a little bit on my hand. You can also use like a mixing palette or a spatula or anything, an applicator, just so that you're not directly using the product from the brush. And then what I like to use to apply this with is a Q-tip or a cotton swab. It's just what I have, and it's the easiest thing to use actually. And then I just dip the cotton swab into the serum, like so. And I don't put a lot on there. You really just want to do kind of a thin layer. And then I just kind of take the cotton swab and apply it directly onto my lash line. Not so much on the lashes, but on the actual lash line, because that's where you want the product to go to help stimulate growth of your lashes. Do it again on the other side. Pretty easy and simple enough. It doesn't sting on my eyes. Just make sure you don't get it into your eyeball, and just try to gently put it onto the lash line. And any excess you can apply onto the lashes itself. And I'm gonna put a little bit on the top of my lashes, like so. And then that's it. It's pretty much all you do. Now you can, if you have any excess, you can actually take any excess on your hand or whatever you used, and you can go on the bottom lash line to kind of help with your bottom lashes. And as you can see, I have no bottom lashes, so I've been applying this on the bottom of my bottom lashes to kind of help stimulate growth there and get a little bit of volume there too. And then you could also apply it on your brows, but right now I have my brows drawn on, so I'm not going to do that. But yeah, it is super easy to use. Again, it doesn't sting. I don't smell it. It doesn't have a scent. And yeah, for me, I'm achieving the results that I want. So I'm getting volume, a little bit of length, and it's actually doing something, because there's some serums out there that don't do anything. So overall, I really do like this serum. I like the way my lashes look, so they're a lot more full. They're not too long and they don't look crazy. They look really good when I curl them. So when I curl them, they usually like kind of droop a little bit, but right after I curl them, they just kind of stay curled. So I've kind of been loving that too. And again, it's easy to use. You just have to be consistent. I struggled for the first 15 days. I almost like kept forgetting to do it. So before I went to bed, I was like, okay, this is the time I'm going to apply my lash serum, is at least an hour before bed. And yeah, so this is my review on the LashMagic by Carragheen. If you guys are interested, definitely check out the websites. They do offer other products. And yeah, so overall, I like this. I like the results. And if you guys have any questions, comments at all, please leave them down below, and give this video a like, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a blessed day.